Place the ribs on a baking pan lined with foil. Peel some potatoes. Scrub and rinse the potatoes. Dice the potatoes and cut some onions into quarters. Stir some soy sauce, olive oil, honey, and seasoning to make a basting sauce. Brush the sauce on the ribs, flip the ribs over, and finish brushing the other side as well. Cover the baking pan with foil. Start on the butter mixture. Smash some garlic and mince. Mix butter with seasoning, paprika powder, and minced garlic. Use a lemon to clean a brined turkey. Stuff some green onions into the turkey. Place the butter mixture between the limbs and under the skin. Spoon turkey rub, salt, seasoning, garlic powder, and minced garlic, until all the skin is covered. Cover it with foil and bake. Start on the salad. Peel some zucchini and chop into thin slices. Wash and break a head of lettuce. Mix some olive oil, vinegar, sweet and sour sauce, and seasoning for the salad dressing. Set aside the dressing with a self-serving spoon. Sprinkle the salad with shredded cheese and toss. Start baking the ribs when the turkey is about halfway done, depending on how big your turkey and ribs are. Boil some vegetables and potatoes until soft. Mash the potatoes with butter, heavy cream, and paprika powder. Whip until fluffy. Cut the turkey and plate it with ribs, mashed potatoes, vegetables, and salad.